Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to view Snapchat message history. Open a Snapchat app. First, you need to tap on this message icon in the bottom. So now you can see your old messages. If you want to view Snapchat message history, you can click this profile icon in the top left corner. Next, you need to click this settings icon in here. And then scroll down. So here you can find clear conversation option under the account action. So tap on it. Now you can see your old message history in here. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.